What's the name of the portable monitor? Well, this guy over here is actually my drawing tablet. It's the Huion kamvas16, and unfortunately, it's probably the least used thing in my setup. For those of you who don't know, doing game art is one of my career aspirations. I bought it for like concept photo bashing and digital art. It's great for, of course, things like Photoshop, but also 3D applications like Blender or ZBrush. Sometimes I feel bad for having it because I've only put it to good use like a handful of times, but I'm glad I do have it for when the art inspiration hits. It just hasn't hit again since I've gotten it.